Hello and welcome to webinar series. Myself Shanti, and today's topic for discussion is benefits of nursing care plan. As we all know, documenting effective care plan is so very important for organized patient care. So for this discussion, I now welcome Dr. Ruchira, who is our expert panelist from Radhika Bai Memorial College of Nursing, deemed to be University from Wardha, Maharashtra. I welcome you, Dr. Ruchira.
Thank you, Shanti.
And yes, let me also welcome Ms. Aparna, who is a nursing superintendent from Arkan Hospital, Shamshabad. I welcome you, Aparna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. So this is going to be little time-bound session, and going forward, firstly, we would like to understand what does nursing care plan mean? Over to you, Dr. Chira.
Thank you. Nursing care plan is the roadmap, pathway for the nurses, specifying a patient's need, goal, care and intervention to promote recovery and well-being of the patient. It is the structured guide developed by the nurses to identify patient's need, which determine the goal, outcome, and patient-specific interventions are there.
Yes, that was quite simplified discussion you have provided. Going forward, Aparna, to you, actually, you have always your rounds in the clinical scenario and you see a lot of nurses writing this care plan. So, who should be involved in developing a nursing care plan? Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Nurses only basically should develop a care and document. Sometimes the doctors also included, but nurses is the prior. They have to do the nursing care plan.
Yes. So, we see nurses initial upon admission, they write the care plan.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
plan of care also will be seen by the doctors as well.
Yes.
Sometimes we always copy and see their instruction whether it is correlating or not. Yes. Is care plan, over to you again, Aparna, is care plan more focuses on patient-centered care?
Yes, ma'am. They have to encourage breastfeeding for the primary mothers, ma'am.
Yes. I mean to say, like, yeah, patient-centered care it is. Like we try to give one
Patient-centered
example.
care, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, and there can be many wide variety of examples also, like pain control, and
Yes,
surgical site care, hand
and
washing.
dehydration if the patient who are in dehydration, and like for that, in that cases we have to balance the fluid management, ma'am.
Yes. Going forward again to Dr. Ruchira, what are the key components of nursing care plan? Like anytime you develop any pathway or any document, we will always have a little key structures out of this, guidelines. So what are they? We would like to hear from you. Yes.
Yeah, main key component for the nursing care plan is patient center, because nursing care plan is focused on the patient's needs. So it is patient center. It should be comprehensive, which include not only the physical, but psychological, social, spiritual concept also we are going to consider. It should be effective with the nursing intervention, and it is tailored to the patient's unique need. So each and
Yes.
every patient, for example, maybe the similar disease is there, but every patient having the unique needs, and because of that, it become a unique tailored patient's nursing care plan should be there.
Yes, as rightly said, as per the unique needs of the patient, we try to develop care plan and evaluate for the same. Yes. Going forward, Aparna, for your insight, as we see, when should a care plan be documented and reassessed? I think this is a very challengeable question because sometimes we see timely documentation is not done. If it is documented, right time of reassessment and evaluation is not done. Yes, over to you, Aparna.
Nursing care plan should be documented in and evaluated in every shift and whenever it is required. Frequency of reassessment whenever the changes in the patient condition, including signs of recovery. I want to give one example. Post
Yes,
dialysis, ma'am. When
yes,
after dialysis, the dialysis technician may check the vitals and shift the patient to the ward. But after receiving the patient to the ward, we have to the nurse has to check all the vitals parameters and inform to the doctor. It is mostly
Yes.
important to have to, they have to do the plan, they have to reassess, ma'am, after that.
Yes. Yeah, after any invasive procedure, whenever patient returns
Yeah.
to ICU or the ward, we need to always customize the care of plan and rightly, as you said, to be evaluated. Yes. Going forward, are nurses able to write effective care plan? Again, this is a very challengeable question, Aparna. I think you also may experience a few of the non-compliance things. Yes, over to you. And also, we would like to hear from Ruchira. Over to you. Firstly, to you. Yes, Aparna.
Nurses often lack knowledge, ma'am, and they don't have time to write. Mostly, they will always take care of the patient, so they don't have enough time to write the nursing care plan, and they mostly they lack the knowledge, and they don't know how to how to write the nursing care plan, how to document, or what are the diagnosis to be done, what are the goals, how to
You mean
form
to
the
say they
nursing
do
care
not,
plan.
they lack in organizing those contents like, let's say, the setup of the goal,
Yeah.
plan, then
Yes.
intervention, then evaluate. Yes?
Plan, goal,
Yes, yes,
assessment,
yeah.
goal, evaluation, implementation. They
And I
lack
think
the
this is a
knowledge,
very
ma'am.
practical, this is a very practical challenge even we find. And as Dr. Ruchira said, if we do right amount of practice, I think, and this can be, properly written. Yes, Ruchira ji, what is your insight on the same? As you a clinical person, whenever you go for your rounds and all, what do you experience from your student? Yes,
Nursing care plan we have to adopt because it is internationally approved thing.
yes,
So if we are going to say, Aparna has said that lack of knowledge, but definitely we have to work on that with the
yes,
practice. So we have to reinforce, and when we are going to motivate the nurses, and with the training, they will definitely try to write the appropriate nursing care plan. And it
yes,
will improve the quality of care, which is most important factor in nowadays with the healthcare sector. So
yes,
that's why we have to write the nursing care plan, which is going to give the evidence-based practices also.
yes,
So with
yes.
that aspect, we have to write effective nursing care plan.
Yes. As maybe as we were discussing in the previous slide, like different patient will have different unique needs. So a patient who comes with a 65-year-old who comes to the hospital with a coronary artery disease or some other comorbidity. So the patient may have 1 to 10, care plan. But we wish to tell all the nurses here or the student nurses that just write the very important, the prioritizing the care and documenting and evaluating for the same is very important. As yes,
Yes.
we just cannot write 10 plans because we are time bound and we may have 4 to 5 patients, or we may have 2 to 3 sick patients in ICU. So I think this writing nursing care plan is a little, it is like a one kind of art which should be done only with the right amount of practice. Yes. Going forward, again, yes, as we were talking about the training and practice, what are the few simple steps of writing effective nursing care plan, Aparna? If at all you wish to train your nurses, what would be your, insight on the same? Yes, over to you.
First, we have to assess the patient, why the patient has come to the hospital, ma'am. First, we have
Yes,
to identify the current complaints. Like example,
for example.
shortness of breath. So for
Yes,
shortness of breath, we have to set the goals. For example, how we have,
yes,
what is our goal? We have to improve our oxygenation. That is our goals. Next is plan. We have to administer oxygen as needed. Like it may be a 2 liters or 4 liters, or like based on the patient need. Next is we have to
yes,
evaluate the patient progress. Like patient is having any like is there any improvement or outcome? We can say outcome, like
yes,
better patient have like felt SOP has been reduced or not, we have to ask and we have to cross check. That is outcome.
yes. Yeah,
These
as
are the
rightly you
steps
said,
for
but
the nursing care
yes.
plan.
Yes, very good. And but evaluation is sometimes it is lapsed. Maybe
Yeah, ma'am.
the nurse must have given the pain killer to the patient, pain analgesia to the patient, and right amount of implementation and intervention is done. But before ending the shift, it is also important for everybody to just evaluate whether the pain, score, which was 8 in nature, now has it, come down or decreased to 4 or 5, like that. I think, yes, evaluation also is very important for patient satisfaction. And, yes. So going forward to Dr. Ruchira, what are the benefits, as we are talking, and our point is, our theme is benefits of writing nursing care plan. What are the benefits of writing good nursing care plans? Yes, over to you.
Nursing care plan, it is quite organized and customized care for the patient, depend on the need of the patient. It enhance the communication across the shift. So again, with the handing over, it is quite easy tool, we can say, which give the benefit. Continuity of care is there, depend on the evaluation, we can continue. And evaluation care become a quite easy with the help of good nursing care plan. Also, I want to add that it is the legal document with the
Yes.
many aspect, which is going to prove that nurses have definitely given the care to the patient. So
Yes.
that's why it is the good tool, we can say.
Yeah, as you rightly mentioned, the legal aspects out of it, yes, many times, these points are very important. Organized, documented care, which can be again further referred in case if at all it is legally required. Yes, going forward again, Aparna, it is for you, like this care plan should be customized to address the patient's unique needs. As we know, we cannot have one model of care plan for all the patients. Yes, every patient in the hospital is very different. Yes, what is your insight on the same? Over to you.
I think yes, ma'am. Elderly patient who limitedly mobility should be educated for his daily activities with the help of assistant devices like use of toilet grass, call bells to avoid fall, etc. Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, I think this is again a patient education, and this should be always told, and patient
You
and
have to.
attender should be, yes, educated. Likewise, there are so many care plans. There are so many care which nurses keep providing, but as we are saying that they face little challenges of writing the timely documentation and lapse in just doing the evaluation for the same. Yes. As yes, we have come to the end of the discussion now. As we would like to conclude, a poorly or non-compliant written or absent nursing care plan can indeed lead to significant errors in patient care and potentially impact patient dissatisfaction. Yes, as we also understand the nurses' challenges, like sometimes they are not guided, sometimes they do not know, sometimes they do not understand how to align goals with the plan and implementation and evaluation. So yes, writing effective care plan, as we all have discussed, it is very important for better and organized care to the patient. So yes, we had a very time bound session. Thank you for your valuable time. And would you like to provide your conclusion note to the audiences, Dr. Ruchira, to you?
Thank you, Shanti ma'am. And also I thank to Yashoda Hospitals Group to invite me as an expert. This is the very necessary topic which required for the newcomer nurses also to understand the importance of nursing care plan. It not only used for the patient care, but it can be utilized as a legal document. Also, it can be utilized for the research purpose. That is,
Yes.
evidence-based nursing practices can be enhanced with the help of good quality of nursing care plans. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. And Aparna, yes.
I would like to thank you so much, ma'am, for giving this opportunity, and I would like to thank you, Yashoda Group of Hospital, for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Yes, and we'll try to further connect. We urge to all the participants and viewers, try writing good nursing care plan. If at all you lack any guidance or anything, you can just connect with your seniors. And there are million and trillions of very good templates which is available in Google as well. Just practice and you will just get the result. Thank you so much. We end this session.
Thank you, ma'am.